All About Blizzards by
Aiden, Katie, Haley,
Brenna, Mia,
Matthew.
and Jason. A blizzard is a big storm with lots of wind and snow. Blizzards can do a lot of damage. Do not go outside in a blizzard. You can get run over by a car. Do not put your pet outside either.
In a blizzard, planes have to wait until it's safe to travel. Some winds blow snow into tall piles that are called drifts.
A whiteout is when you see white during a blizzard. Sometimes you can't see anything during a whiteout but white. Snowy weather can be dangerous. When bright sunlight relieves off the heavy snow, can hurt our eyes very bad. It is important to wear sunglasses when skiing.
It has to be 32 degrees to snow.
These are blizzard words that you should know. Whiteouts are when it is white, so you can't see anything. Slush is snow with water in it, and snow that is watery looking. Frost can make grass look white when it is cold outside. Fahrenheit is how we measure the temperature.
The ends.